Hi guys. Today I'm gonna show Webull users how to build your own customized Webull platform so you can trade with it. But before I do that, there's this question that most people, when I meet people when they talk about trading, they always think that it's very, very difficult and you always losing money. So when people say that, I just ask them the simple question like, okay, how long have you been learning trading? Oh no, zero experience. My question is, if you want to become a doctor, it will take you about 10 years or more. If you want to become a nurse, it will take you anywhere, maybe 2, 3 years. And the stock market is where you have the smartest people, the cutting edge technology and everything. So why do you take your money to the stock market without knowing nothing about it? So to me, even if you're a doctor, even if you're a professor, whatever profession that you have, at the end of the day, you work and get a paycheck, which is money, which is finance. Why don't we learn about the finance before we even get a job? But that's how the system is set up to always make you think, to always make you fail, right? So you never go to put your money in a stock trading when you don't understand what the stock market is all about. But it's not also too late to learn how to trade. So today I'm going to show my preferred platform when it comes to beginner traders. If you have less money, I don't want you to spend it. What I want you to do is to use the free resources around there until you understand, until you know, so that you don't go through what I went through when I started trading. So my preferred platform is Webull, which you can do on your phone, and also they have the desktop app, and now they are even coming up with the premium version, which I'm yet to see. So today I'm gonna sit here and then show viewers how you can go ahead and then customize the platform suit your own trading style. For instance, I'm a day trader, so my trading style will be different from somebody who is an investor. If I go to Weibo, this is one of the customized platforms that I've used. But if you are new and you've already downloaded the Weibo app on your desktop, what you're going to do is when you open this interface, you're going to see that if I go to this plus right here, I always want to show people like maybe multiple 2 times because if I'm saying I'm teaching you, I want you to know, right? I don't want to rush you so that tomorrow you have to come back again and again. So this is the first time, the first place you go. This plus here because it's gonna give you a new layout. In here is where you're gonna save your customized layout. And this thing here that looks like a bag is the web where you can get all the widgets. Everything that Weibo has is over here. So without wasting time, let's just jump in here and then start our new customized layout. Weibo already have some of them I created it, but it already have some defaults layouts over here for day traders to them, according to them, multi charts. You have future traders, option traders, and bonds traders, right? But you are new. You want to customize it to uh, suit your own version, how you want to trade. So I'll go to the blank layout right here. click, click it. On top here, this is where you have all the widgets. The first one is quotes. The second one is trade. The third one is stocks. And then fourth is general. And the last one is market. We will start from quotes. If I'm new and I want to build this layout for myself, what do I need? First, it says layout. Let's change it and then say build it for myself. You right click, you go to the rename tab, hit on it, and then I would say my cell, whatever name you want to give it. Click anywhere and then it's safe. Now we came to quotes. I need a chart because that's where I'm going to look at the candlesticks and everything. So I click right there. It will open the chart for me. For me, I only use VWAP, so I don't care about all the other indicators. So I want to take off the I want to take off this indicator from there. So if I go to hit this X right here, it will take it off. You see, I have multiple things here. I want this chart to be clean. So if I come here, draw it down, I want to take everything out. You have to leave one or else it will not allow you. So I leave just volume. So now it's clean. What else do I need here? One of my all-time favorites is the key statistics widget here on Webull. So I need this one. I'm gonna hit and then um, stretch it a little bit, but I want it down here. So I'll hit and then I'll come here, stretch it, right? I want to link these two things together so that anything that will populate here will show up here. So if I go here, set as group, hit on it, there's first one that say the group inside the layout. Group across the layout just in case you have multiple monitors and you want to customize. I'm gonna use this one, but this I'm just using one computer, so I will choose the first one, number one, and then I'll go here and do the same thing for the set as a group too, so that anything that I do here will populate right here. What else do I need? um I'm gonna go the easiest way. I need another chart, so let's hit the same place, chart, and then we have two chart. And how did we to take away the moving average, the MA, which is the moving average? We just click on it, go to that X, it's gone, and then all these things I don't need it. But instead of wasting my time here doing the same thing again and again, you want to be fast. So if you want to take this chart away, what you do is to go to the draw down menu right here, click on it, and then you come to the bottom here and say remove. It's done, right? We want three charts. So instead of always coming up here to click, delete, whatever, I've already taken away the moving average, and then I took away all this stuff that I was here. So let me go to the drop down menu right here and then hit on it, and then I'll go and say copy charts. You give me another one. You say now I don't need to go and change, take away the moving average. I can go here and do again copy charts. Now I have three charts without have to go through and repeat everything because it's day trading, right? So if you're gonna day trade, we always want to be fast. So there are certain things that you have to if there's a shortcut, I'll always use the shortcut instead of going up and be repeating myself. And if I'm trading in the morning, what do I do? Um, I'll have a different time frames for all these charts. But let's skip on because this is gonna be quick. Let's save it just in case light goes off or something happens. So I aim here to the middle, and once I click on it, it show here as save as customized layout, and then I go here and I save it. If you want to save it one more time, you go to the middle, save it, and then I will save as a customized layout and it will replace it. Okay, what else do I look at for in the morning? Because you're a beginner trader, you don't want to be spending money paying for scanners and all those things, right? So if I have charts, if I have key statistics, I want to see which stocks are moving in the market. I'll come back to add widgets, hit on it. I will jump straight to market. This is where I have the top gainers and top losers. Hit on it, populate it, and then I'll put it right here. So what I do, I always look at the first five stocks that that are moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because what's my rationale of looking at 5 stocks? If you say you are the best NBA player, you have to play with the big boys, right? So you cannot have LeBron sitting on the bench, or you have Steph Curry, or you have Kevin Durant, or you have Devin Booker, who is our top player in Arizona. So I always want to see those stocks that says that the markets they're gonna be in the market to be in within the first 5. So I've already have my top gainers here. What do I have to look? Name is not important because if I stretch it this way, it's gonna take a whole lot of space. My computer is just one. So I have to go in here and s- go to the market is United States. I don't have much to do, but what I'm gonna do is I don't need this name right here. I can hold in here, drag it, and close the name. What else don't I need? The volume, I don't need it. The market cap, I don't need it. So I can go here, boom, and then take it off and take the market cap. And then um, I will just drag this down here just in case. What else do I need from the widgets? I need time because when you're trading, sometimes Arizona doesn't even change our time. Last time I didn't even remember, but I always want to see time. When is the market open and when is the market closing? So let me go in here and then look for time so I can put it general. If I come to general and the general have a clock, this is what I need. I hit it here, put it in between here, drag it, expand it. You can go to time and make it either you do 24 hours or you go 12 hours. I will leave it as it is because this is the market. And then I'll always link all this to the other wages, right? So I go to one and I go to one. Why am I linking them? Because if I hit BON, it will just populate everywhere. If I hit RDUS, it will just populate and it will give me the statistics right here. So this is what I need. What else do I need? How will I need news? If a stock is moving, I want to see why it's moving. So I need news. So I'll come here, get a news. If you don't see it, it was too quick. Let me go back and then remove and then show you where I get the news. This under stocks, if you come here in the middle, that's the news. I have it here. I need it. So I will just also link it with the same one right here. And then I have it so that if I click on this symbol, any news that is on the symbol is gonna over here be showing, right? Um, we have almost 6, 7 wages. How are we gonna buy the stocks? Tomorrow, I'm gonna show you, or my other videos, I'm gonna show you the other things that you can do to add more wages and so you can buy. But let's say this is all we have. I mean, I'm trying to save you money. I don't want you to go and be paying for multiple screeners and multiple uh desktop. How are we going to trade over here? We already have our 3 cards. Let's see what these things are meant for. This is where you have the indicators, and my favorite indicator is VWAP. So I'll come here and then get my VWAP with the bands. I'll show you on other videos how we can adjust the VWAP to suit our own preference. If you want to draw anything, you have it here. If you want to change um, the candlesticks, which is one of my favorite, I like the high kinetic. So where is it? This is what I like. So okay. So and then if you have grade, if you want to compare stocks, if you want to chart layouts, you can. I was asking, so we have this. This is all we have. We cannot put other trading and nothing over here. How do we buy stocks? We can go to the chart trader, hit on this, and then now it gave us buy and sell. So we can buy here and sell. We on the quantity, we can use the limit. We can go in here and also set what time are we trading. Is it on regular hours? Is it on after the market has closed, or is it before the market open? You can go in here and include extended hours. Save it. Anytime I hit on here, it doesn't matter the trade session is going to go in and then buy as I say. So today I'm gonna leave you guys here, and then we will continue with other important things that Weibo has. And as a beginner trader, you don't want to start spending money. You need to keep your money. Try with all these free platform, free resources, and see which one best fits you. Understand the market before you put in your money. One of the best wages of all time for me is this keys statistics. I can trade with this with just a single chart without doing anything. But I will take you guys step by step and show you what I do every morning before the market open. Even if I'm not able to wake up on time, and I wake up when the market has opened, what do I do? Or if I want to trade after the market has opened, what do I do? Thank you for staying and listening. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more videos to help you. But what did we do today? We learned how to get the charts from the Webull. If you download the app, you come to this plus right here is a new layout. It'll give you a brand new layout, right? What do you want to do? You want to add something, but you want to change the name. So we go here, right click, and then change the name. You come to save as customized layout. This is where you have all the widgets. Instead of going to chart and then doing it one after the other, you can always go here after you finish with one and then copy charts. It will give you multiple charts, and it's the same thing. What else did you do? You want to put in a indicator. So the first one right here is the indicators button. You hit it, and then you go in here and choose whatever you want to choose. If you like a exponential moving average, you go here and then get it, and then boom, it's there. And so what else? We went and then got to first we started with quotes. We went to stocks and we get news from here because we needed news. Right now the news is not showing because market is not live. But if you have it here, this is where you have the news. And then on general, we only pick the time. And then on market, we got the top gainers and the top losers. So we're gonna end it here. And if you like this, just go ahead and subscribe, and I'll have more for you. Thank you.